This Seasons Realty LLC property video is presented by Sargeant. Won't last. This is an immaculate 3/2/2 split and open floor plan in a very nice neighborhood and in a great, convenient location. This home has so many extras: new roof in 2018, new AC in 2016, 6-foot-high white vinyl privacy fence, 6 ceiling fans, all tile floors, oversized master bathroom shower new in 2016, extra-large open patio surrounds the screen lanai, and is not included in the total square footage. Beautiful lawn and landscaping with sprinkler system. Seller has elevation certificate, no flood insurance required. All assessments paid. Showing appointments by showing time. For more information, review the details below.